Okay, I am back making another video. Today I will be attempting to teach you how to learn the helix. That was a very choppy version, so I'll do another one. And that's the helix. That is the helix without the Y2K part. And I'm making this YouTube tutorial because one of my friends are not able to learn it. So the first thing you want to do is do a normal Y2K. That is something you should learn. And then you want to put your finger here, bring it down, so kind of do like a wrist pass kind of thing here. And when you bring it up here, you let go, so it's like you're holding on right here, and so you kind of do you kind of do a index roll or whatever, and then you go from here, turn it from there, and then do a thumb roll, and then a wrist pass. And then I'd recommend starting slow on this. So you do that. You catch it like this. But then the Y2K version, you do the Y2K. You catch it like this. When you come down there, and you bring it around your index, and then around your thumb, and then wrist pass. So all together, it should look like this. Yeah. All together, it should look like this. Once you get fluid with it. So yeah, that's it.